If and when. What are the differences between these two words? Can we say if I will or when I will? Hi everyone, welcome back to English Sprint. Today we are going to talk about if and when. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's start with if. So we normally use the present for the future after if. Okay? When you want to use if for future, you need to use present. Alright, so we normally use the present. Sometimes you can use past, but it is uh, actually that one will be different from this one. All right, so that will be conditional. All right, so and also we use if for things will possibly happen. Okay, so when you use if, it means it will possibly happen. All right, take a look at the examples here. Don't worry if I'm late tonight. So after if, I used simple present or present. Okay, so and it means that in future, okay, don't worry if I'm late tonight. Okay, it's future. I will go out if it stops raining. Again, I used present after if, and also it talks about future. If you don't study, you won't pass the exam. Okay, so if you don't study, you won't pass the exam. Okay, it means again, it talks about future, and also I used present after if. I am an English teacher. If you have question, you can ask me, right? So again, this is something possibly happens, okay? If you have question, you can ask me, okay? And also, uh, for the rest of them, for example, the third one, if you don't study, you won't pass the exam. It will possibly happen. Okay? All right, so let's focus on when. Okay? So we use when for things which are sure to happen. Okay? When you are sure about uh, the action, okay, in the future, you can use when. Right? So take a look at the examples to make it clear for you. When I finish my homework, I will play video games. Right? So it means first I finish my homework and I will play video games. It is about future. And also after when I used present. When I get home, I will call you. Again, it is talking about future and I say when I get, okay? Again, I used present after that, okay? She will take a shower when she comes back from gym. Okay, so I am sure about this that when she comes home after gym, she will take a shower. I'm sure about this happening. When they accept your CV, they will send an email to you. So, again, I am sure. I'm sure that when they accept your CV, they will send an email to you, right? So, and also, when you want to say or talk about something that possibly happens, you don't use when, okay? You need to only use if, all right? Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video until the end. And if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And also click on the bell to get notified. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and goodbye.